Isidore bouncing the ball. Beginning of the final quarter. Nagu creating the ball. Crossover move. Challenge by Mr. Oreo. Nagu again to Mendoza. Mendoza bounce pass to Nagu. Nagu again. Spin.
Alam Paulo. Lahat talaga, ay tumawag talaga. Nakaganyan na ako. Nakaganyan.
Sanggunian ball.
Alam, contact mo ba? Ala pa bang contact yan?
Panot kasi.
Oreo. Slowly bring down the ball. Oreo again.
Alam Paulo mo na.
To Oreo. To Trinidad. From the corner. From Liboy territory. Air ball. Recover. Sanggunian ball. Safe ball. Oreo to Trinidad. To Simbulan. Challenge Mr. Mr. It's a shot clock violation. Third over. Isidore slowly break down the ball. Isidore again to Nagu. Nagu again. Challenge Mr. Oriol. Speed. Inside pass to Garcia. Recover the ball Mr. Trinidad to Rivera. To Oriol. Oriol again. Take the ball with Mr. Mendoza. Mendoza again. Setting the play.
Alam Paulo naman. Ayo.
Foul from Cambro. Number 9. Oriol.
Nakakatawa itong laro na.
Pero palibagin ng chinelis. Mga tauhan ng konti.
Nakakatawa rin laro na yun. Wala ka naman.
Isidore pounding the ball to Mendoza from the corner. Tembo. The rebound the ball with Mr. Simbulan. Simbulan again. Simbulan brings down the ball. Simbulan again to Trinidad. Baseline jumper. Rejected shot. Recover the ball with Mr. Isidore. Isidore again to Nagu. Nagu again. Atake na na basket. Taser Obispo. Oreo lifting the ball. Setting the play. Oreo again. Take the ball by Mr. Nagu. Pass break pass to Isidore. Isidore all the way. Taser Obispo. Running score, takes favor, 43-42 in favor of Condition. Oriol to Trinidad. Intercepted the ball by Mr. Mendoza. To Nagu. Nagu again. Nagu from the center, jump, Nagu to rebound the ball by Mr. Oriol. Oriol, slowly bring down the ball. Oriol again. Take the ball by Mr. Bautista. Bautista to Garcia, later on the school. Time out! Simbulan yung pop. 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 Low check. Oriol, dribbling the ball. To Oriol. Back to Oriol. Oriol again, pull up jumper, is Nagu. Offensive rebound takes Trinidad to Oriol. Oriol again, to Oriol. Jump of the defender, air ball. Rebound the ball Mr. Trinidad for offensive rebound. To Budal, play.
Nice.
Isidore. Challenge by Mr. Oriol to Bautista. Bautista again. To Garcia. Jump from the defender, air ball. Same ball. Nagu holding the ball. Bounce pass to Mendoza, later up, no good, but there's a foul comes from Cambro. 19, Trinidad. Trinidad committed third personal foul, warning for Bradley. First base closed by Mr. Mendoza.
Ilan ba?
Second throw is Bellwood, rebound the ball by
Nice.
Mendoza.
Nice, nice.
Second two shot, Trinidad out, Oriali. Nagu is counting the ball. to Misterio, back to Nago, baseline jumper, no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Orion. Foul number 11, Mendoza.
Foul ng foot. Woo!
Orion,
Tawag yun.
take down the ball. Orion again, setting the play. Jump from the point territory, no good. Recover the ball by Mr. Orion. They set up from the baseline, it's no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Bautista. To the Misterio. Misterio brings down the ball. Misterio again, challenge Mr. Kukuran to Mendoza. Mendoza again, inside pass to Misterio, no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Kukuran to Orion. Foul coming. Three designated commit that third personal foul. Orion to Orion from the corner. Easy basket comes from Mr. Orion. Mendoza dribbling the ball. Mendoza again to Nago. Nago again. Cross pass to Bautista. Bautista again, and Mr. Orion cross pass to Misterio. Down from the point territory, no good. Follow-up shot Mr. Rejected shot, recover the ball to Mr. Kikura, pass quick pass to Orion. Orion again, drop pass to Orion, it's good. It's a goal! Time-out! It's a deadlock, all 46. Kelvin impounding the ball to Nago. Nago again, bring down the ball. Nago matawag at the basket, spin, laser up school. Nice move from Mr.
Ay,
Nago.
mamaya yan.
Mhm. Harap! 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 Harap!
To intercept the ball, Mr. Scenario. To Mendoza. Setting the play, waiting for his teammate, challenge to Mr. Tibulan. To Nago again. Penetrate to Mendoza is good. Kelvin rather.
Harap! Harap!
Tibulan lays it up, no good. Rebound the ball by Mr. Misterio. To Kelvin. Kelvin again, bring down the ball. Kelvin to Nago, challenge by Mr. Orion. To Kelvin. Kelvin again, atama na the basket. Flop. Intercept the ball,
Wala talagang-
Mr. Orion.
wala talagang-
Pass to Orion, challenge Mr. Mendoza, lays it up, no good. Kelvin go for the ball by Mr. Misterio. To Mendoza.
Hindi natatawag yan.
Mendoza
Crucial
again.
eh.
Going for his teammates to Kelvin. Kelvin
Kagaya.
again.
Crucial eh.
Wow! Turnover! It's a traveling violation.
Lalong ayaw nang tumawag.
Hindi natatawag yan. Crucial eh. Harap! Harap!
2 minutes! Oriol, full of score! Mendoza, reject the ball. Running score, 50-40 in favor of Calle 7. Bautista jump up the point territory, Congo, rebound the ball by Mr. Budak. To Oriol, pass to Oriol.
Harap! 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 Harap!
Full of jumper is Congo. The rebound the ball Mr. Oriol for offensive rebound. Take the ball Mr. Bautista.
Diretso!
To Kobe. Kelvin again, bounce pass to Congo.
Alam pa ulit.
Foul coming from Cabrera.
Tagal tumawag.
Pinag-iisipan ko ito eh.
22, 7
Nakakaloka.
Tibulan out.
Kitang-kita na.
Bautista out.
Kaya ikaw, ginano mo eh.
Body eh. Takot rin tumawag eh. Baka masisi daw siya.
Ayaw mo.
Kelvin down in the ball. Donato, pull up jumper with Congo. Trying to rebound Mr. Mendoza. Follow up shot. Congo. Mendoza again. Congo again. Rebound the ball to Mr. Mendoza again. Then go passing for the ball.
Yeah, yung tawag. Jump ball talaga yun.
Tempo laro.
Magaling yung isang referee nasa baba na yun. Ayun.
Excited yun.
50-40 in favor of Kanye Sete. Isdelio is batting the ball, bounce pass to Contessa, rejected shot. Bunas bring down the ball.
Harap, harap!
Bounce pass to Pagkatusay. Sayang naman! Kelvin to Tago. Tago again. Bring down the ball. Tago setting the play, wasting the time.
Ba, oras.
To Kelvin again. Speed. Block, lays it up, no good, but there's a foul.
Ganda tumawag, ano? Ganda tumawag.
Sakto to yun.
Kita eh. Nakakita niya.
Number
Pero kasi
26.
natutulog na ginising pa eh.
Inaantok ko na yun.
Natutulog na kasi ginising niya pa eh.
2 free throw for Mr. Kelvin.
Puwet pa naman eh. Loading eh.
First throw is good.
Nice.
Kelvin secure the first throw.
Sabog din sa anesthesia to.
Second throw is good again. Oriel is counting the ball. To Oriel. Oriel again, back to Oriel. To Oriel, from the corner, from the window. Oh, 3 points! Big shot, coming from Mr. Oriel. Sunderland ball.
Hanip
Time
talaga.
out! Last 38 seconds.
40.
Running score, 52-51. 1 point lead by the Canadian.
Kailangan yun, tao-tao.
Palit dapat. Ito dapat sa ilalim. Malinaw mata na ito.
Putting that to Oriel. Oriel again. To Oriel. Jump and then Oriel, 3 points!
Oh, ala na naman foul yun. Tumawag. Nagising.
54-52 in favor of Sunderland. Foul, foul na, foul. Foul. Foul number. Penalty ba? Penalty.
Ay, penalty. Kailangan ma-shoot yung dalawa na yan.
Who's correct? Sino ka foul? Number 9. Okay, alam, penalty. Penalty, penalty. Two free throw by Mr. Nagu. First throw is no good. 30 seconds. Second throw is no good again. Time out! Up to the body.
Kailangan na kaya doon.
Hindi, dos lang. Quick 2 lang yan. Quick 2 lang.
Parang uti na.
Oriel inbounding the ball. To Oriel. To Oriel. Foul coming from number 6. Kelsey.
Foul, 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 foul. Foul, foul. Foul! Foul!
Oriel to Bunas. To Oriel. To Oriel. Oriel again. To Oriel. To Oriel. Pass to shoot. Foul. Nagu.
May 4 seconds.
Entering po penalty na po ang RG7.
Pag na-shot
3
yan.
seconds
Pag
to
na-shot,
play.
talo yan.
Tumingin, double team. Foul, Captain Brown, number 11. Both teams na timeout, Team Mendoza. Entering po penalty. Three seconds. Trinidad, take. Blocking in violation. 1 second. 1 second.